welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Bhindi Kurkure or lady's finger kurkure. This is a very delicious and crispy snack that you can make in 5 minutes. Kids will be super excited and you can make your kids go with some lady's finger. Very healthy recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 250 grams of lady's finger. Make sure they're nice and fresh. Also go with big ones and make sure all the lady's finger are evenly sized. Now cut both the ends. Cut the lady's finger into 2 halves like this. Then slit 1 half into 2 portions. Deseed the lady's finger. You can discard the seeds. Now make thin cuts like this. Likewise, make all the cuts and add it to a mixing bowl. To this, add 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure the dry ingredients are well coated in the lady's finger. Now it's nicely mixed, so go ahead and add a teaspoon of water and mix well again. Now we have the perfect consistency, so pull out a small portion and add it directly to hot oil. Likewise, add 4 to 5 portions at a time and fry in medium flame for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now, so flip the Bhindi Kurkure or lady's finger kurkure and let this again fry for 2 more minutes. It's been 2 minutes now, the oil bubbles has nicely settled and it's also nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Our delicious Bhindi Kurkure or lady's finger kurkure is ready. You can serve this right away and enjoy with your family and friends. You can serve this as a snack with a cup of tea or even with your meal. Very healthy and delicious kurkure recipe, so do try this Bhindi Kurkure or lady's finger kurkure recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.